Hi, and welcome to Aditya Archives, Episode 3
Inspiring Minds,
Shaping Future School News at its Finest. I'm Karthik.
and I am Madhu.
We are excited to bring you the latest happenings and important announcement from our school desk.
Let's dive into the latest updates.
Bastille Day Celebration 2026.
The French department, comprising students of grades 7, 8, and 10, proudly celebrated Bastille Day with great enthusiasm.
Kamarajar Birthday Celebration.
AGS celebrated the birth anniversary of Perundalivar K. Kamarajar with great respect and enthusiasm.
Competition highlights.
Blackout poetry and nature art competitions were conducted where students expressed their creativity.
Career guidance for grades 11 and 12.
Grade 11 students attended a CA Foundation Orientation Program, gaining guidance on career opportunities and exam preparation in Chartered Accountancy.
A career guidance session on nursing opportunities was led by the faculty of Kumaran College of Nursing for grade 12 students.
AGS School Rally.
AGS observed International Plastic Bag Free Day with an awareness rally led by grade 7 and 9 students carrying posters and placards to promote eco-friendly alternatives.
Celebrating English Captains 2026-27.
AGS proudly congratulates the English captains of 2026-27 who will lead by inspiring confident communication and a love for the English language.
Let's step onto the podium of sporting triumph.
Monsoon Athletic Championship 2026.
ELSG of grade 3 Dazzlers, bronze medal in cricket ball throw.
The Unrated Boys Relay Team, silver medal in 4x50 meter shuttle relay.
Shashini Senil Kumar of grade 7 Brilliance, bronze medal in high jump.
The Unrated Girls Relay Team, gold medal in the 4x50 meter shuttle relay.
Mahati Yes of grade 11 Achievers, silver and bronze medal in 1000 meter.
The Under-10 Girls Relay Team, gold medal in the 4x75 meter shuttle relay.
Jay Pranav S of 3 Dazzlers, bronze medal in standing broad jump.
Praneeth C of 3 Champions, silver medal in cricket ball throw.
The Under-12 Girls Relay Team, bronze medal in 4x100 meter shuttle relay.
Josephine Blessy of EY3 participated in the 6th Open State Level Silamam Championship and won a silver medal.
Naina Arun Prasad of 5 Dazzlers participated in the 6th National Level Open Karate Championship and secured first place in Kumite and third place in Kata event.
Diving into match updates and highlights.
Aegis Intramural Games 2026.
Football tournament.
Winner Phoenix.
Runner-up Pegasus.
Throwball Girls.
Winner Griffin.
Runner-up Centaur.
Volleyball Boys.
Winner Griffin.
Runner-up Phoenix.
First TNGA Sports Academy Rolling Trophy Tournament.
Aegis proudly secured the runner-up trophy.
47th Coimbatore Sahodaya Inter-School Football Tournament.
Aegis Under-12 football team secured a thrilling victory over Dr. NGP School in a penalty shootout.
Teacher of the Month June.
We take this moment to honor our Teacher of the Month, whose outstanding dedication, creativity and care truly stand out. We proudly recognize
Ms. Shumita Sri,
Ms. Jeevita,
Ms. Sushmita,
Mr. Karthik,
Ms. Aarti.
Ms. Gautami and Mr. Sanuj.
Aegis appreciates their dedication and extends heartfelt congratulations on this well-earned recognition.
Student of the Month, June.
The following students were honored with the Student of the Month June Award for their commendable performance and achievements in various areas.
Harsha of Grade 10 Achievers,
Ardhavan of Grade 7 Achievers,
Harshit K of Grade 12 Achievers,
Naveen Kumar of Grade 6 Achievers,
Samriddhi of Grade 4 Champions,
Harun Vishal of Grade 5 Achievers.
Darshan of Grade 6 Champions.
AGS appreciates their sincere efforts, achievements and congratulates them on their success.
Achievement Galore.
Spell B National Level Achievement.
Vidusha K, Grade 12 Champions, Rank 11.
Pavan Raghavendra Prabhanjam, 7 Achievers, Rank 5.
Arjun Bahulian, Grade 2 Exam Plus, Rank 3.
Abhinavesh, Grade 3 Champions, Rank 10.
Nitila, Grade 5 Dazzlers, Rank 9.
Logikits 2025-26.
Our young achievers have made Aegis proud by earning remarkable international ranks in Logic Quiz 2025-26 competition.
Curiosity-driven Hackathon 2026.
Team Bitewise, Karthik, Kavinashri, Ardhavan and Arjun secured the runner-up position in the hackathon competition, demonstrating outstanding innovation and teamwork. Vidusha K of Grade 12 received the Special Mention Award at the 3-day IIMUN conference.
Kavinashri of Grade 8 Achievers received the Special Mention Award in the JP Committee.
Yadunandan of Grade 6 Dazzlers received the High Commendation Award in the Lok Sabha Committee.
Mritul of Grade 9, Sai Chiranjeevi of Grade 11 and Jerin of Grade 12 have been recognized with verbal mention.
Krishendu Esar of Grade 5 Brilliance earned a place in Bharat Bhuvan Book of Records for her participation in the first ever Shuddha Nirtam performance.
Dhanmitra Vijayanand of Grade 3 Brilliance has been honored with a special award for a graceful performance at the Sri Patanjali Natyalaya annual day.
Titiksha S of Grade 5 Dazzlers secured the winner 2 position in the regional SIP Abacus 2026 advanced level competition.
Hariharasudan TK has earned the green belt in karate from Cosmic Shitoryu Karate School.
Ria Adlin of Grade 2 Achievers and Sachin SK of Grade 2 Brilliant secured the champion trophy at the regional Abacus competition Braino Brainfest 2026.
G. Naveen Krishna of Grade 7 Brilliance won the gold medal in Silamam at the Open International Karate and Yoga Meet.
AGS extends heartfelt appreciation to all our achievers and hopes they continue to reach new milestones ahead.
Tiny steps, big adventure. Let's dive into the kindergarten updates.
Behind the magic mask.
Our AGS classrooms came alive with magic as parent volunteers surprised children with a delightful mask storytelling session.
The joyful mask reveal and warm hugs made it a memorable celebration of learning and family involvement.
Mark your calendars for the upcoming events.
Independence Day celebration is round the corner.
The kindergarten department is gearing up for a vibrant month with engaging events.
The Communicative English department is set to inspire students through 2040 Summit. Voices from the future and from classroom to borders. Gratitude towards the Indian Armed Forces.
The school is preparing for a series of exciting competitions, including gratitude card making and photography contest.
That's it for the week's updates.
Stay tuned for more updates and exciting news from our school desk.
This is Karthik
And this is Sadhavan.
and we are signing off from Aditya Archives.